Have you ever wondered how you can make 300,000 Rand on one deal by just buying a property and doing some light renovation and then bingo sell it? Well, my good friends, by the end of this video, I am going to be showing you how best you can do that. And on this particular deal that I'm going to be talking to you about, it is a flip. It is Wednesday deal day, and my name is TJ. I always bring you a good deal every Wednesday. Like it is a Wednesday today. Wherever you are watching me from, how are you? I'm trusting that you're doing all right. I want us to jump into this deal that we are talking about today, because I think that some people would say, oh, TJ, is it possible? Well, it is possible if you are in the grind, but it is also possible if you are right here at the TJ tribe. Every Wednesday you get to receive some hot deals that we've got on here. So where is this property that we are talking about? It's a good deal. It's a deal that you can buy for 1.1 million. I know some of you are already saying, TJ, I already have 1.1. TJ, I already qualify for 1.5 million. TJ, I qualify for 2 million. So I think I can do this deal. Yes, I am talking to you, my friends, to you. This is a house. I'm going to show you a couple of pictures. And basically all of these pictures that I'm going to be showing you is, let's go. Picture number 1. Picture number 2. Picture number 3. Picture number 4. Picture number 5. TJ, you're going too fast. Don't worry, ne? You can always rewind the video and you can watch the pictures nicely, right? Let's go on with the more pictures. Welcome back in checking out all those pictures. I was at this place, right? And I took a video for you. But guess what? I went there with my filming crew, and they went with a video for this place. And I ended up with the pictures. That's why I don't have a video for these pictures, but I've got the pictures. So I apologize. I sincerely apologize. You know, I always want to show you the great deal of it is. As you saw in the pictures, my good friends, that the place is not a dump, right? It's a good place that can be rehabilitated. The place is in an area that is called Pretoria. So, yeah, I'm doing deals in Pretoria, all the way to Pretoria, right? This is a small deal. It's about 4-bedroom the house, 2 bath. It's on a spacious yard. And I'm going to look here on what the yard is. It's sitting on 1,679 squares. Oh, my friends. And you are getting this deal for 1.1 million. Imagine that, right? That's a good deal. I think that's a good deal. So you're buying it for 1.1 million. The property itself is sitting on 1,600 squares of land. And it's in the area that is called City of Tshwane. We all know it as Pretoria, but it is City of Tshwane, right? You know, when you look at some of this documentation, am I the only one who gets confused? So it says province Gauteng. Is City of Tshwane in Gauteng or Tshwane? I mean, like, it is in Gauteng, eh? Yeah, okay, all right, province is Gauteng. It is in City of Tshwane. It's in a small suburb called Rietfontein. I was going to say Randfontein. It's in a small city called Rietfontein. In Rietfontein, my friends, it's if you know the neighborhood, for some of you might know the area, Rietfontein. It's a very small neighborhood very homely, big properties that are, you know, sitting on 1,000, on 1,006. I've seen some or even as far as 2,000. And there's a cool shopping mall which is called Rietfontein. I think it's called Rietfontein Village. And within that, this property is not far away from that. For a seasoned person who knows what to do, this is a great deal. So you're buying it for 1.1 million, we did say, right? And the renovation, we got a quotation from somebody, and we just gave them what are we going to do on the place, and they say to us, TJ, we will be able to do the deal for 150,000 in terms of cleaning up the place. You saw the pictures. There's a little bit of ceiling that needs to be sorted out. The roof needs some good painting. What else? The house itself needs some painting. You know, something that I would recommend on the property is, you know, the vegetation of it, or should I say the gardening of it, needs to be looked into. I'm just giving you some ideas of what I would do if I was to take on this deal. Now, this deal is round about an hour's drive away from me. I always ask, there's always people that ask me the question, TJ, why didn't you buy this property? And I'm like, guys, I can't buy all the properties. So this deal is about, and it's an hour away from me. And I'd like to pass it on to someone else who is potentially in Pretoria areas, potentially who is struggling in getting the deals. You don't have the time to look for deals. That's what we do here at the TJ Tribe. I'm just giving you like some good information on why you'd want to get into these deals. So every Wednesday we are here, and we will showcase a deal like this one. So you can see that if you're buying at 1.1 million, right, and you've got an additional 150,000, so you're basically now at 1.250 in terms of your buying. And you can also see that registration is just below 50,000, but let's just take 50,000 as your registration transfer fees, and that's an additional 50,000, so you're now at 1.3. This property, right, in the area, the lowest, so I'm just gonna give you a big shout out. I did an evaluation on the property. So I did an evaluation. On this evaluation, my good friends, right, the property right now, today, it's sitting on 1.5 million, but I'm giving it to you for 1.2. So in other words, I am giving you 300,000 rands of equity on your property, right? But you're buying it for 1.1. So that's an additional 100. Ooh, TJ doesn't like me. This property is literally half a kilometer from an engine garage, another half a kilometer from a BP garage. It is 3 kilometers away from the Taurai Hatfield train. So it's good for someone who wants to buy this property and just stay there, right? You're en route to the Gautrain here. Let me see what else here. It is 1 kilometer from Metropolis, so you know you are in the good company there. 1 kilometer from the police station. There is a school in the area. Whoa, Robert Hisk Primary School. So yeah, you literally half a kilometer from that primary school. There is also another secondary school which is 0.3 kilometers away. Oh wow. So this area here, it's a cool area. Or that shopping mall that I was telling you, it's not called Rietfontein Village. It's called Rietfontein Pavilion, right? It's got a cool name, Rietfontein Pavilion, right? In the area. So if you are one of those people that are wanting to sell, you're buying this property and you're wanting to sell it, not far away from the University of Pretoria, the Prinsenhof campus. Whoa, wait. How come I didn't see this before? It's also not far away from University of Pretoria, the Bond Biology campus. It's 1.9. Hey, whoa, wait. I'm not thinking student accommodation here, right? I didn't see the stuff. Like when I was vetting the deal earlier on, I didn't see the stuff. Earlier on, I didn't. Here. Okay. But I am committed. I am still going to give it to you, even though I am seeing other opportunities here. What opportunities am I seeing? I'm also seeing that it can be a student res. It's down the road from there. So 1 kilometer, that's all right. You're buying it for 1 million, 1.1. So it's a good deal. Let me see what is also here on the report. I'm just looking out at the report, right? Of the area. It is the area. Okay, good. This property is valued at comparable sale price. For this property is 1.5 million. And the highest property that I've sold in this area for 2024. So now we are looking at how much can we sell this property for. If we are to renovate it, remember we were buying it for 1.1. You remember you've got 200,000 for your reno and your transfer. So you're now at 1.3, right? Right. Now, we are already saying it's valued at 1.5. So you can sell it for 1.5, right? But there's other properties that I have sold in December last year for 1.9 million, which means that the house was modernized. There's another property that sold this year in March for 1.8 million. Let us go and see another property that sold in January for 1.7 million. Let us see 2024. Another property in February sold for 1.860. This is all free data that you can get. Nah? I'm not cooking stuff here. The land here was even smaller. This was a 1.2. 1,200 squares. It sold for 1.8. So, which basically means that you have an opportunity to sell on a higher price. Right, let's see. I'm also looking at the data here for 2024 and 2024, a land for 1,720. This guy here sold his property for 1.8. Right. So my friends, you can see there's a good deal here, right? So we have said this property here, all costs involved, including your renovation, round about 1.3, you could close it. Now it's yours, right? So how much can you sell it for? I am not a greedy person, eh? I'm not. So I'm just gonna add on my 1.3, I'm just gonna add another 300, and that means I can sell it for 1.6. However, we can see the data is telling us that you can sell it for 1.7, because there's other properties that have sold within the last 12 months for 1.7. We can see some that have sold, the highest has sold for 1.9 million. Yeah, 1.9 million, which was a smaller land. This land here is sitting on 1,200. This piece of land is sitting on 1,600. So it's a no-brainer, my friends. That's why I'm saying to you, you can be potentially have the good money of making 300,000 on this deal here. I'm really thinking twice about this deal, about passing on to you. But I'm committed to saving you, my friends. That's why I gave you this deal. So what do you need to do for you to get this deal? Very simple. Right down below, you're going to see my cellular mobile telephone that will bring you to our office. Send us a WhatsApp. The WhatsApp says +27 78 42266. You can drop us a WhatsApp, say, hey TJ, I'm keen on that Rietfontein property. I go cash, I qualify for X, I'm in, right? And then we can start to help you out. Or again, there's an email here that says hello at the TJ Tribe, and again in your subject you will say, I am keen on the Rietfontein project, TJ. I got my 1.1 million. But my happier place is in the comments below, meet the TJ tribe. That's my favorite place for you to reach out to us. And basically, it's a little bit of a form that asks of your name and your details, name and surname and cell phone number, and you already come and stay in our system. So if you just send me a WhatsApp, you're not getting into our system, which means that we are only going to speak to you on this deal. But if you are wanting to get into our system and you are continuously getting deals, those that are not even on here online, like Wednesday deal day, it's not the only deal that we deal with. There's plenty deals that we come by. You can be able to populate your details in there, and now you're in the system, and we send you deals all the time. And when you see a deal, just reply, say I'm keen, or just send us a WhatsApp, I'm keen, and you get all the deals. So I did say to you, my good friends, you have the potential of making 300,000. Look at this as bonus. TJ bringing you some bonus money up in here. So that's the first one. The second one is that I did say by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can make the 300. I have shown you. It's easy peasy, right? I've shown you. So even my friends, and if you do not have the time to look for these deals, you can come here, dedicate 30 minutes to see these deals, and then thereafter just ask to say, TJ, send us through the full pack of the deal, and we will gladly facilitate that for you to you. However, I also want to say to you that there's a number of reasons why you need to continuously being plugged on here. Number one, we are very, very big on education. So other than this video here that you're seeing on Wednesday deal day, on Mondays we are pushing out educational videos for you to learn. You don't have to pay me nothing. You just have to learn. TJ is being generous to you. You are learning them deals. You are learning what to do on your properties. You are learning what to do on your business. However, number two, if you're really keen, like super keen on learning, we also have a school which is called the TJ Academy. But basically you can come in and say, TJ, I'm keen to learn. We've got coaching programs to teach you how to navigate this and make sure that you are making some moolah for yourself, right? And then thirdly, hey, I bring out deals to you like what I've just done today. Isn't that cool? It is cool, yeah? Right. So my good friends, it is great hanging out with you. If this is good for you, let me know. If you're not good, but you know someone else who already knows someone else, right? Send them this. Send them this link and say, hey, this kid here called TJ, he's selling some good deals, right? He's selling in a good deal. And my friends, hey, do you have 1.1 million? Maybe we can jump into it. And maybe they've got the money and they can jump onto the deal. So that's what you can do, my friends. You can pass on this link here to as many people as you can, share and like. But above that, if you do have any comments, let me know what the comments are in the comment section, and I'm happy to send any other. Not to send any other. I'm happy to respond to you. That's what I meant. So until we meet again here on the next video, my good friends, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. It is I, your boy, TJ. Boom, boom.